Oh, you were so wet and so cranky, but now you feel better, don't you? Next order of business is to get you a brand new car seat. Wouldn't that be nice, Holly?
No, Mama. 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 Mama.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Albuquerque Police Department. The Albuquerque Police Department has issued a child abduction emergency for Holly White, who is a 19-month-old female with blonde hair, blue eyes, and an unknown weight and height. At approximately 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the Albuquerque Police Department received a report that Holly was abducted by her father Walter Hartwell White at her home on 308 Negrero Lane after a violent altercation with the child's family in which he later fled with the child in a faded blue 1964 Chevy C10. Walter Hartwell White is described as a 51-year-old white male, bald, blue eyes, 5 feet 11 inches, 186 pounds, and was last seen wearing a beige jacket with a blue undershirt and brown pants. Be advised that White is currently being investigated by the Albuquerque Police Department for various crimes, and is presumed to be armed and dangerous. If you see or spot Walter White, do not approach him. Instead, call the Albuquerque Police Department toll-free at 505-242-2677 or call 911 immediately.
You took my child.
Because you need to learn.
You bring her back.
Maybe now you'll listen. Maybe now you'll use your damn head. You know, you never believed in me. You were never grateful for anything I did for this family.